Hello, Xrpusd. We're gonna break it down. We're gonna play with it, and we're gonna see where it takes us. The last time we were on this chart, we drew this trend line going up. That's when we saw that market drop about 20-30%, and it kind of like almost kind of like recovered immediately, but it was still not sufficient because we still closed that candle on that day, still closed underneath that trend line. So we had double trouble. We had that trend line, and we had that resistance, that this zone level as an objective task that we have to push and break to the upside. So we have double trouble. Hence, I said on my previous video that I see us probably coming back, retesting this level before we can see a move to the upside. Or the worst scenario, we might be trading this triangle, following this triangle and making a squeeze with this zone, and that will take us all the way to late August there sometime, which is not a good one. We don't want to see that. So to break this trend line and this zone, it's not an easy zone to break, and I'll show you in a minute. It's not an easy zone because this zone was taken off from the monthly time frame. It's a very strong zone, and we need quite liquidity in the market and money injected into the market to just push across it, and so we have that momentum to the upside. So let's have a look. I'll go back to back to time. Let me go back. I'll show you. Let me just change this to a different color so we don't lose it. Yeah, we've got it now. Let's go back. And you see what I'm trying to say. Let's see, is there any more? Yeah, I think that's it. That's there. So this is the zone. We need candles like this to break this zone. We need powerful candles like this just to carry the momentum to the upside. We need a boom, and then yes, we saw that the market came back. You see, small candles like this don't do it justice. They can't. This it just breaks the momentum. Small candles that come back, and we got rejected there. Let's go back. See, we need something similar to that, which was not even strong enough, but it was quite strong. We need candles like this to break this level. Anything weaker than that, it's not gonna do us any good. Oh, come on. Yeah. So we're here. So what could possibly happen? Let me just change it back to here. I'll change it back. So because we closed underneath this trend line and the zone, that made our job more even difficult because we have two objectives to push into. So that is, it becomes even a more stronger resistant level because we've got a trend line against us, and we got this zone. So we need quite a lot of money coming into XRP to push like nothing. We need a candle that will just burst through like something like this. Boom. We need a candle that will do something similar to that, or just push through, and then we probably expect a retrace. Once we've done that, a retrace back there or even closer before we see another move to the upside. Before we see another move to the upside. Yep. The previous video we did, I said the market might be coming. We might be coming because of we closed underneath it. I said we might. There's a possibility that we might come back and retest this level again before we go up. That will obviously make sense. Imagine you standing up and trying to jump standing up straight. It's difficult. You don't get that power. For us to come back here, we're getting more soldiers, and then we get that injection. It's almost like you jumping from a squat position and you jump up. There's more power there. And I think that's what we need to see happen. Let's have a look. As I'm sitting here looking at this, we could let me play with it. Let me play with it. Head and shoulders pattern. Let's see if we put a head and shoulders pattern. We could, if we want to see maybe a movement like this. That could be the head. That could be the shoulder, head. Come back somewhere there. It doesn't have to be precise. And then boom to the upside. Something like that. It doesn't have to be accurate. So yeah, if this head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders plays out, that would be a good scenario for me. And we'll probably see the market going up. But for the meanwhile, still good time to get some more if you still haven't stocked up. Get some more, accumulate more XRP. Not financial advice, but that's what I'll be doing. Any £10 that I get on the side, I'll be chucking it to XRP and see where it takes us. This video is longer than I expected. Thank you.